The first index law states that a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. We can see how this works using this example. 3 to the power 4 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. And we're multiplying by 3 to the 7, which is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. We have 11 threes in a row here. So another way of writing this is 3 to the power 11. And we could have seen this by doing 4 plus 7 is equal to 11 using the index law. So for this example, x to the 7 times x to the 3 will be x to the 10. And for this example, since 7 add minus 3 is 4, we'd get x to the power 4. Note that this doesn't fit the pattern because we have 2 and 3 and the numbers should be the same as they are in the other examples. We can work this out, but it does not conform to our pattern. We get 8 times 9, which is 72.